You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Stratagem. If you want to clarify more pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Stratagem. American English pronunciation would be a stratagem with a flap T that sounds like a D. Stratagem. US pronunciation, or stratagem. Stress on that first stra syllable. You know the word strategy? Well, it's kind of similar. Stratagem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.